Hi, and thank you for your interest in the Conestoga College Motorcycle and Powersport Vehicle Repair Program. My name is Matt Lowry, and I'm here to tell you about this action-packed full-time program that's been developed by highly experienced service technicians to prepare you for an exciting career in the powersport service field. This program requires no previous experience. It's been designed for students of all competencies and covers fundamental safety and tool use to fault diagnosis and engine rebuilding. Graduates of the program will have attained a Level 1 motorcycle apprenticeship standard. Our collection of over 50 practice motorcycles includes a new Yamaha R3, a Ducati 999, and also a classic 1100 Goldwing. We also have several 2- and 4-stroke snowmobiles, side-by-sides, ATV, and personal watercraft. So if it's dirt, road, snow, or water equipment repair you're into, this program is for you. Our 2,500 square foot workshop facility at the Guelph campus has been designed with the real work environment in mind, utilizing an individual workstation for each student. Each workstation features overhead lighting, a pneumatic power sport lift table, and a steel workbench with its own 5-inch vise, compressed air outlets, and power outlets. Personal work areas also include a network desktop computer with swiveling monitor and keyboard for online assignments and technical specification lookup. The bike shop also has 2 tire changing and balancing machines, a 20-ton hydraulic press for crankshaft service, sonic cleaner, and blast tank. A full complement of hand and air tools is available to all students. Our classroom is attached to the workshop, so going from theory class to practical class is a snap. Theory classes are delivered with the aid of a large 120-inch smartboard. A demonstration table is also used by instructors to showcase parts, procedures, and techniques. Our friendly and professional instructors come from a wide array of backgrounds and promote a fun learning environment, bringing a wealth of knowledge to your learning experience. Practical course delivery adopts a hand-on approach in the shop with assignments and worksheets, while theory is delivered in the class by way of our D2L-based learning management platform, eConestoga. All class material can be accessed online, including exams, current grades, and attendance. So we hope to see you in September. If you have any further questions, please contact me at mlowry@conestogac.on.ca.